It's like home. No time like Christmas time, loving you right. No place like home. No time.
Hey y'all, and good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Sunday, December 4th, Vlogmas Day 4, 9:55 a.m. Okay, and your girl just got to the gym, about to get my workout in. As I told y'all yesterday in Vlogmas Day 3, I try to come to the gym 6 out of 7 days of the week. Fridays are typically my rest day, so I don't come on Fridays, but every other day I try to get in here. None does that always happen. No, sometimes things happen. I be busy, but for the most part I try to get in here and get a workout in for a good hour and a half, and then I'm out. So we got a Zumba class this morning. We got to do that. It's not like a hype Zumba class, it's more of like a chill bag for older people, but I'll still be in there because a workout is a workout and they be doing good stuff. So we about to get in there, get this Zumba in. And then I got to do the things I didn't get to do yesterday today. So it's going to be a busy day. Crazy. Okay, y'all. I'm in the gym. Class was supposed to start at 10. It's 10. And the instructor's not in here. Nor is anybody else. So I'm confused. The class get canceled and I didn't know. If that's the case, I'm going to go walk on that treadmill and do that. What is it? 12, 3, 30. But I be switching it up and I do 8, 3, 10, and then 12, 3, 20. I've been doing that for like the past week. Since this past week that I worked out. That's when I started. It's not too bad. It's really not bad at all. I could really up the speed a little bit probably, but it's that incline to be getting me. But yeah, we're gonna see if anybody show up in here. Okay, y'all, so it's 1:30 and I'm just now leaving the gym. My friend ended up coming up here, one of my coworkers, and we just got a good arm session in, working out arms and doing some mobility stuff as well. So we just kind of got carried away with that. And then I ended up walking on the treadmill for 30 minutes after I did my Zumba class while I was waiting on her. So yeah, it's 1:30. I'm about to go to Lowe's to get this clothing rack thing that I need. And then I'm gonna go home, start my laundry, get the tree decorated, film my video, all that stuff. Kind of let the couple hours get away from me, but that's okay. I was doing some workouts and stuff, so that's what matters. But yeah, we want to go to Lowe's. Okay, Lowe's. Okay, y'all, so I am home. Went to Lowe's, did what I need to do there. I'm about to let all of the puppies out. We got 2 stinkers right there and 2 more stinkers right there. Let them out, feed them their lunch and all that good stuff, and then sort my laundry and do stuff like that. So let's let the go potty, stinker butt, go potty, go potty, go potty, go in there, potty. Thank you. Get your potty on, stinker butt. I don't really know if y'all can hear me or not because of the laundry, but the puppies eat 2 times a day or 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and the dogs only eat breakfast and dinner because they get more food than the puppies do, and they are slow eaters for the most part. They slow eat their food, and the puppies, don't really slow eat their food. So I'm just getting the puppies lunch ready so they can eat their lunch, and then they're gonna go outside and chill in their little pens outside with like the big pups do for a little bit while I get me. That's Bentley, Bernard, and that's Georgia Genevieve, the crazy Frenchies. They're gonna switch bowls about 10 times before it's all said and done, because that's what they do. Then Kane and Harley are the bigger dogs outside barking right now. It's Puppy Love. And then over there, we have Kobe and Gemini, my bunnies, and then y'all see Zero looking out like, I want to come in here. He can't be in here right now because if I open the door outside, he be trying to run outside. Like, he outside dog, and outside cat. And he don't know nothing about the outdoors. So, yeah, they just going to eat. And Zero, of course, got to have his treats, too, because he's spoiled and he always want to eat something. He think every time somebody come in the kitchen, he's supposed to get treats. So, yeah. Spoiled cat. In the house, running around freely because my mom is at her bag. And I'm about to sort my clothes. My room is a mess. Cause you know I got a lot of stuff. So yeah, I'm about to sort my clothes and all of that good stuff. And so whew, I got my clothes sorted. It's probably gonna take me the rest of the day to wash. Let me go put my first load in the washer. And then we gonna get started with this Christmas tree, I guess. saw in the clips, I was putting the hooks on the ornaments. I had to do it quietly because I was being watched by the audience. But yeah, so the theme of this Christmas we're going for is like blue, silver, and white. Really silver and white, but like a henna blue. And unfortunately, the stockings we have, I don't know if I can see them right there. We only have like 2 white ones. The rest are red and brown because usually we do like red and gold. So I'm gonna try to find some more silver and white stockings or blue stockings. But yeah, and then we have to order a star because the star that we have is too big for the tree and it's like gold lighting, so it's gonna kind of throw off. And then our tree comes with lights built in. You could either do like gold lights or the blue, gold, and red, or in green, or like back and forth. So we're gonna keep that because it's gonna go with the theme a little bit better. And then yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all the ornaments and then I'm gonna start decorating the tree. What they're looking like, as you see, there's like gray and silver, not gray, silver and blue, and then the white, and then that's the garland I'm gonna use. And those are like the different ornaments that are like not really fitting to the theme, but they're probably still gonna go on the tree. And then I got this cute crown ornament from Target, and I thought it was so cute because, you know, QUEENDEE. That's me. So angles so y'all can see me better. But we about to get into the decorating of the tree. And normally this would be a family affair, but now that my brothers are a little bit older, they don't really want to help with this, and plus the older of the two is at work. So it just be me by my mom with some decorating the tree now. But like since last year. So it's okay though. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry, I had to take a detour so I could eat dinner, but I have all of the ornaments in the tree. Now I'm gonna put the garland on, and we're gonna be finished until the star comes later this week. So let's get it. this is the tree. Let's get in on the detail. With 0 underneath. Messing with stuff. 0. Leave it alone. Would you stop? Stop being mad. You. Stop. Okay, y'all, so I finished the tree and everything. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I have to edit this, upload it, and I still have to film Vlogmas Day 2. That's the only Vlogmas video I have not filmed yet. Day 3 is filmed and uploaded. It's not posted. Then I'm filming Day 4 right now, and I have to edit it, upload it, but not post it. I can't post those until I post Day 2. So I'm about to film that, and then we should be good. So I'll see y'all for Day 4. I don't know if it's going to be a vlog or if it's going to be a video. It's probably going to be a video because I have to work. So I'll see y'all Day 4. Day 5. Bye, y'all.